Welcome back to Glorious and Basia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making rice and beans, Shito and Waakye. So I have my beans here that is cooked. Make sure your beans is soft. Yes. Then you take off the leaves. That's the Waakye leaves. That give that color, beautiful color. So make sure you take them out. I'm going to add coconut oil, and then I add in my salt. Okay, so then you stir it together. Okay, now my rice. Add your rice. If you need water, you add more water to it. Okay, so I'm going to put it on low medium heat, medium to low heat. Okay, so now you give it a stir. See, it's almost done. On a medium heat, or you just lower it. So we give it a stir. Yes, so our rice and beans is beautifully done. Yan watching abing. Okay, and then come up. Okay, so here I have my onions, 5 onions. I have 2 habanero peppers. I have ginger, like thumbnail, 2 thumbnail size. I have garlic, 5. And here I have my shrimps. I have my dry fish, 3 grains of saline, and I have 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and sesame, and 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds, and then 1/2 teaspoon anise seeds. And here I have my crushed red pepper. Then 3 cloves added to it. So we're going to blend everything all. The fish, it depends how a lot you want, so that one depends on you. This is what I'm using now. Okay, let's blend. And with the fish, I use 2.5. Yeah, this one I'm gonna put it back. I'll just show you. Let's blend. Okay, so pour my oil. So my oil is in here, heating up. Okay, so now I'm adding the first blend. Okay, so let's stir. It's on a very low heat. So Shito requires a lot of attention. and also stirring. Uja Shito nesiswa. Ebesho. Okay, so now I'm adding my salt. My salt to taste. Our shito is done already. Look at it.